Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading The Magical Zoo #1. Wait. No, I'm not reading that. I'm reading the second one, like I told you I would in this book when I read it, and this is continued. Sally and John were running down the library's hallway. They were looking for the tiger. Let's split up, instructed John as he ran to the other direction. Sally jogged past the columns of books. She glanced to see if Milkshake was behind her, but the cat was nowhere to be found. Where can he be? She thought as she continued to run. Turning a corner, she met a group of people that appeared scared and frightened. Did you see a tiger here? She asked them. They didn't say a word. It seemed they were too scared to talk. They pointed their fingers to another hallway. Sally ran down the corridor. She saw a tiger's tail and tried sneaking up from behind him. But the tiger was too fast to catch. He made a big jump and ran towards the library's exit. No, mumbled Sally to herself. Not the exit door. But the tiger was fast. He's known for one of the fastest tigers on the planet. Sally was far behind her, while the tiger arrived at the library's exit. Lucky for him, the door was open, so the large cat peered outside. While stepping outside, he was suddenly stopped by something. It was the staircase. It was the first time he had seen a staircase, which the zoo and the jungle does not have. Hesitating what to do, the tiger took small steps, step by step, giving time for Sally to reach him. The tiger leaped through the air and climbed onto something that he recognized back from his home, a tree. The animal used sharp nails to climb the tree. It was something that was simple was him to do. John heard the crowd and voices outside the library. The zookeeper ran down the steps and saw the tiger climbing the tree. He pulled a net from his bucket and threw it on the animal to catch him. Sally shouted to him, "Don't use the net, he is scared. Don't worry, it's for her good. I do not want him to fall or be scared. I will get him down from the tree first." The tiger got down from the tree. He was scared and shaking. He was in a new place to him. The noises, scents, and everything was different from what he had used to know in the jungle. John came closer to the tiger and sat beside him. "Don't worry, Tibby. We will get home in a while." Sally came closer and said, "Meet Tibby the tiger." John introduced tigers to Sally, while removing the net from the large cat's body. "Tibby is a puppy tiger," he continued to explain. "Really?" marveled Sally. "He is so big." "Yes, he is." John got up and put a leash around his neck, the animal's neck. "Come on, Tibby. We need to get you back inside before we have any more troubles." Sally and John took Tibby back into the library. They walked fast, trying to take the large animal to a place where he felt safe and wasn't scared. John and Sally entered one of the hallways. John sat down and started to take books from the shelf, piling them in stacks. "What are you doing?" questioned Sally. I have to capture all the animals. Meanwhile, I want Tibby to stay here. I will build a nice book cage. Book cage? That's a smart idea. It's not a cage. It's like Starry started to reply. The zookeeper interrupted her. "A book cage, yes." John stacked book upon carefully, trying not to damage them. It took him 5 minutes to build a book cage. John and Sally led Tibby the tiger into the book cage. Tibby was sad. He wanted to go back home. He did not like this strange place. He did not know. "Don't worry," Sally confronted the tiger while petting him. "You will get home very soon. Very soon." He glanced at John. John smiled back. "We need to find the rest of the animals. We have a lot to do. Let's go," he said as they both started running. The end. Do you want to know what happens next? Does Sally find the animals and return them? If so, how did they return them? Do you want to know how the people in the library reacted when they saw the fox fleeing? Do you want to know what the child said to his parents when he saw a zebra in the library's parking lot? Find out what will happen in this great next book series. The book series about this. And here's the next one. Okay. And here's another one. And another one. Yeah, it looks like that's all of them. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!